In today's video, I'll show you how to create a playful opening where the video flips into view with a wobbly and slightly unstable motion. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline. This type of animation works best when it's used as an intro, so the movement feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. Once selected, go to the bottom toolbar and tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start, which is exactly where this flip style reveal should be applied. Scroll through the animation list until you find Wobbly Flip, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, the video flips into the frame with a soft wobble, creating a fun and dynamic introduction. To control how strong the wobble feels, use the duration slider at the bottom. Dragging it to the left makes the flip faster and more energetic. Dragging it to the right slows it down, making the wobble more noticeable and playful. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the motion feels natural with your footage and music. And that's it. You've successfully added a wobbly flip reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.